Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am going to show you 3 cast iron recipes that are super delicious and really easy to make. This week in Colorado we got an unexpected blizzard and we got about 37 inches of snow with 6-foot snowdrifts, so that was super wild. We ended up losing power, unfortunately, but I still wanted some warm meals for my family, so I got out the camp stove and got to work. Thank you all that reached out. We are all doing okay. I appreciate your thoughts and prayers. As always, all of the recipes will be linked down below in the description box, and if you are excited to see these recipes, let's get right into the video. I just wanted to start this video by showing some of that footage of the snowstorm. It is still coming down for now, but we are all snuggled up in our home. My son just wanted to see it, and of course I could not say no. He absolutely loves the snow, but you will see that it goes right up to his waist and it goes right above my knees, almost up to my stomach. So it's just wild. We've never experienced this here in Colorado. We now have power back, so I'm super grateful to all those workers who worked overnight to get it to us.
Just watch me breaking, you're sweet, you're falling into me, touch me, I swear, you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn, ooh, baby, feel free.
I'm just showing you here our camp stove. I will link something similar in the description box below. It is powered by propane and it's just a small little camp stove. We used to have a larger one with a double burner, but I'm not sure where that is. It must have gotten lost in the move. But this one comes with a little dish that you could put like soups or mac and cheeses in, but honestly I don't use that. I just put my cast iron right on top of the heat and go from there. But this is really great. It comes with a carrying case and it's easy to just pop in the car, and when we are camping we tent camp, so it's just nice to have this out on a picnic table. If you are using one of these, you never want to use it inside. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how I am cooking this next meal. These recipes will be typed out in the description box if I did not say that already, but we are going to make some curry couscous, and this is super easy. So I have this cast iron skillet here. If you don't know much about cast iron, just drop some comments down in the box below and I can answer any questions you may have, but it is well oiled and seasoned, and this is what you're going to need. So you're going to need about a teaspoon or 2 of olive oil, some diced carrots and onions. I just have frozen peas. You can throw that in there if you want. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of curry powder. That's going to give it a little bit of spice. And then you are going to need some couscous. We like this organic pearled couscous. It's like a garlic and herb flavor, but you're just going to throw every item in there except for the couscous. I'm going to take it away and let it cook on my burner outside, and then I will bring it back inside and add the couscous as well as a cup and 3/4 of water. And I did want to mention I threw in some garbanzo beans for myself just for some added protein.
How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah.
Now I'm going to show you how to clean your cast iron. After I got it out of the sink, I washed it with sudsy water, a lot of soap. Just kidding. I knew a lot of you were going to try and catch me on that. Do not use soap on your cast iron. I learned this trick from my dad, so I am just rinsing it with hot water and then putting some olive oil in there along with a potato. You're going to kind of use the potato as a scrubber, as if it were a sponge. I don't know why. He doesn't know why. It just works really well.
And the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh.
We are moving on to this butternut squash side dish. Our power did come back on, so we will be making this inside, but you are going to need your cast iron skillet, some red onion, some sun-dried tomatoes, which you will see that you may not need these, some rosemary, olive oil, and 1 butternut squash. You're gonna peel your butternut squash, half it, quarter it, and then half that again. Don't worry, I will show you how to do that. We are making a side dish, and I might sprinkle some cheese on. I'm not sure yet. This is the So Delicious Mexican style shreds. Super, super tasty on savory dishes like this. We are going to have some burgers tonight. I really love the new Target veggie burgers, and I will show you how I put all of this together.
Ask me to leave, 'cause I wanna stay. We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the flames getting higher. You hear when I me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. Someone to rely on, someone to rely on, someone to rely on, someone to rely on. I won't get enough sleep. I won't get enough sleep till you're with me. I know I hurt you, baby. Can't stand the thought of letting you down. It drives me crazy. I used to hide myself away in the night, looking for trouble and fights, looking for answers at the bottom of my glass. You found me lost in the night, looking for trouble and fights, but you found me. No, I'm a screw up, but baby, I'm glad you're someone to rely on, someone to rely on. No, I'm a screw up, but baby, I could be someone to rely on, someone to rely on. Your friends, they say you're in too deep. You shouldn't be.
I baked this at 400 for around 20 minutes, and you will see that adding those sun-dried tomatoes was a huge mistake. They ended up getting really burnt, probably because they're freeze-dried, and I added oil to the top, so I just took those off, but it didn't add any terrible flavor or anything like that. If you did want to leave them on, I'm sure you would be fine. And this is what I served for dinner tonight. My son has a regular burger. I have some arugula salad with hemp seeds and balsamic. I have a veggie burger on a lettuce wrap just because we didn't have any buns. Normally I would have a bun as well. I served mine with just mayo and then some ketchup and mustard. And then my husband has just a double smash burger. Tamara and her husband Luke made these over at Southern Life Everyday Life, and I really wanted to give it a try. My husband absolutely loved them, so shout out to you, Tamara. Everything was super tasty. It is the next day and more snow came, so I decided to prep a pizza really quick just in case we lose our power again. So I'm going to start out with some homemade dough. You're going to need some yeast, sugar, 2 cups of flour, a half a cup of warm water, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You're going to mix this all together. You've seen me make dough before, but I will show you how I put it all together right now.
Someone to rely on. No, I'm a screw up, but baby, I'm glad you're someone to rely on, someone to rely on. No, I'm a screw up, but baby, I could be someone to rely on, 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 someone to rely on. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes time. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
So you can top this with anything, but I'm really loving adding cream cheese and barbecue together. Doesn't look the prettiest, but tastes super amazing. And you're using that as your sauce. And then I'm going to add some white onions and some provolone cheese. And I'm just going to cut those in half. You can see what kind of brands that I use in the description box below. And then on top of that, you are going to add some fresh basil. You're going to bake it at 400 for around 20 minutes just to make sure that crust gets nice and toasty.
But don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breathe.